In this video, you can learn how to promote your website in YouTube Community tab. You may be running any kind of business, since YouTube is the second largest search site on the web besides Google for topics. Promoting on YouTube makes a lot of difference to the success of any business. If this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. I will be promoting my website design site on the Community tab. First, we need to go to the Community tab in YouTube channel. We can click the YouTube profile picture and again click your channel tab. And in this page, we need to click the Community tab. Here, we can add a promotion text along with our website or web store link. We can as well upload an ad image from our computer to attract YouTube viewers to our website. And finally, post the website promotion link along with the ad image. And done successfully. YouTube visitors can visit our website if any design requirement is needed. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added.